Is YouTube TV not working? Try this quick fix. Hey streamers, if your YouTube TV isn't working right now, don't panic. You're not alone, and more importantly, you're probably just a few quick steps away from getting it back on track. The first thing to check is your internet connection. YouTube TV needs a solid and stable network to run smoothly. So if things are buffering or glitching, take a second to make sure your Wi-Fi or Ethernet is working. A quick restart of your router can do wonders here. Before we keep going, if this guide ends up helping you out, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. It's the easiest way to stay updated with tips like these. Now, if the internet looks good, try restarting the YouTube TV app itself. Sometimes the app just needs a reset. Fully close it, or refresh your browser if you're watching on a computer. Then launch it again and see if it improves. Still no luck? Power cycle your device. Whether it's a smart TV, streaming stick, phone, or tablet, just turn it off for a few seconds, and then power it back on. It's one of those classic moves that surprisingly works most of the time. Also, double check that your app is fully up to date. Running an older version can cause bugs and streaming hiccups. Go to the App Store on your device and make sure you've got the latest version installed. While you're at it, see if your device's operating system needs an update too. Keeping everything current helps apps like YouTube TV run better and avoid weird compatibility issues. Now here's something a lot of people forget. The issue might not be on your end at all. Sometimes YouTube TV experiences outages or temporary service issues. You can head over to Down Detector or YouTube TV's official Twitter page to see if others are reporting problems. If everything seems fine externally and you're still stuck, try clearing your cache. On phones or tablets, just head into your device settings, find the YouTube TV app, and clear the cache data. This can remove small glitches that build up over time, and if none of this solves the problem, don't hesitate to visit the YouTube TV Help Center. Their support team can walk you through more advanced solutions, or help identify if your issue is account-specific. Hopefully these quick fixes got your YouTube TV working again. If they did, let us know in the comments what worked for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you're never left in the dark when tech acts up. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your shows.